Welcome to Human Asia. Today's topic is about the airport in the countryside in Thailand, Nakhon Phanom. Let's check out where the original footage is. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm at Nakhon Phanom Airport in northeastern Thailand. As soon as I walked inside the terminal, I decided to take a tour around the hall.
เช็คอินใช่ไหมครับ 12 โอเค 12:45 โอเคครับ
It was so incredibly quiet that it almost felt like I was the only passenger in the entire airport. As I walked past the small local shops, I noticed the staff members sitting together in their pink uniforms, chatting happily with each other. Another staff member was just sitting on a chair outside her shop, relaxing and looking at her phone. There are no long lines, no rushing crowds, and none of that stressful noise you usually get at big airports. Honestly, I think I love these quiet rural terminals much more than huge ones like Suvarnabhumi in Bangkok. It just feels so peaceful and relaxed from the very first step. I had some time before my flight, so I decided to get a quick bite at a small noodle shop inside the terminal. Two lady staff were working inside the open kitchen. Usually, they have pretty neutral, quiet faces. But since I've been here a few times before, they actually recognized me this time.
อ๋อโอเคครับ
Even though they looked tired from working all day, they gave me a really warm smile when I walked in.
뭐냐고요? 체이크요? 마차 타이티
I just ordered a simple bowl of instant ramen and a Thai tea.
150
150
After ordering, I sat down at my table and just watched them work.
ต้มยำหมูนะคะ
When traveling around Nakhon Phanom,
นั่งรอเลยค่ะ
อ๋อน้องๆ
one thing that surprised me was how many single mothers live in this region. On top of that, the minimum wage here is only around 300 baht a day, less than $10. Thinking about that, I realized some of these women might be also single mothers, working long hours in a quiet airport kitchen just to raise their kids and support their families. Watching them work so hard despite the tough conditions made me feel truly humble and respectful. Before my food came out, the younger staff member handed me the Thai tea I had ordered. Honestly, it tasted richer and better than any famous cafe in Bangkok. It really felt like she added extra ingredients just for me without holding back. It was so thankful for that small act of care. And when my simple bowl of instant ramen arrived, I noticed that they had quietly added a free egg on top as well. Eating that hot ramen with a fresh local egg, probably from a farm right here in Nakhon Phanom, was more than enough to fill my hunger. Even though life is tough for them, their hearts are so warm and genuine. Honestly, even though it was just instant ramen, it tasted so much better to me than any famous ramen shop in Japan. I finished my meal in silence, feeling deeply thankful for their kindness and quiet strength. After finishing my meal, it was time to check in and head over to the gate. The AirAsia ground staff at the counter were super welcoming. They checked my ticket quickly, smiled, and made the whole process feel really easy and smooth. Over the years, I've flown with many different airlines across Asia. But I always find myself coming back to AirAsia. As a budget carrier, they keep things simple. There's no fancy business class lounge or luxury meals on board. Instead, they focus on what really matters: reliable flights and genuine hospitality. People often compliment AirAsia staff for their neat red uniforms and bright appearances. But honestly, what I appreciate the most isn't just how nice they look. It's their genuine, warm smiles that truly make a difference. In an industry where travel can often feel rushed, cold, and repetitive, the crew here always manages to make you feel like a welcomed guest. Even after a long day of dealing with hundreds of passengers, they greet you with real warmth and positivity. Watching them work with so much care and attention to detail reminds me why I enjoy flying with them so much. It's that authentic human connection that makes even a short domestic flight feel special. One cool thing about these small local airports is that they don't use jet bridges. We just walk straight outside onto the tarmac to board the plane. I actually love walking up the outdoor stairs like this. You get to see the bright red plane up close, feel the warm Thai breeze, and take in the view of the quiet runway. I found my seat inside, got comfortable, and soon we took off into the sky. Looking out the window as the green fields of Thailand fade away, I realize why I love traveling like this. It's not about luxury lounge access or big fancy airports. It's about these small, honest moments: a quiet terminal, hardworking local staff, simple good food, and a smooth flight. If you ever visit Thailand, I really recommend flying through one of these countryside airports. Thanks so much for watching today, and I'll see you in the next journey.